Welcome once again to the Daily Message. Today I want to conclude this brief series of reflections based on the Beatitudes that have to do with not just the issues that we will deal with during this election year 2020, but also the tone of our conversation when we talk with others about these issues. So I want to conclude today with just a series of questions for our reflection. So this election will ultimately be about people. It will be about us as the American people, and it will be about us as God's people. So we will have to face the question, what kind of people do we want to lead us at every level, local, state, and national? What kind of people do we want to elect to represent us and to represent our values? What kind of people in our society should be uppermost in our thoughts? We know from the gospel that those who are poor, those who are marginalized, those who are outcast should be first and foremost in our minds as we contemplate this year's elections. We should also be asking ourselves the question, what kind of country do we want to be? Do we want to be truly a Christian nation? Do we want to be truly a nation based on our constitutional values? What kind of people do we want to be during this election season? How do we want to reflect God's love, God's justice, and God's mercy in our country and in our world? So in conclusion, what does God want from us in this election year of 2020? I think God is calling us to be witnesses, to be role models of our Christian, our Catholic faith. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day today.